Hello traders, Pedro Souza here. Today in this short video I'm going to show you how you can create your own position size calculator. This is a very fundamental tool for every trader. With this you can manage your risk properly. You always know how much, taking into account your equity size, you should be risking per pip and the following distance of the stop loss as well. In the first cell I've typed equity. That will be the equity amount in pound sterling. The second cell relates to the risk in percentage of your equity total. Then on the third cell we'll have the stop loss in pips, how many or how big your stop loss will be, 25, 50 or 100 pips. And on the final cell we'll have the calculation results. And this will show exactly how much you should be risking per pip on every single trade according to your equity, your risk and your stop loss. Let's start this exercise with a £1,000 account. First I need to format this column to currency. That's done. And now we go back on the equity column and we will start with a £1,000 account, risking a 2%, which should be your maximum risk on any trade anyway. And we're setting a stop loss of 50 pips. How much would your position size be? You apply the formula, you multiply the equity by the risk. The risk is 0.02, which is 2%. And then after you've done that, you will have to close the brackets and divide the result of this first operation by the stop loss size, and you come to a total of 40 cents per pip. Now 40 cents is the amount in currency that you should risk on any trade, whatever the instrument you are trading. Okay, so that is 40 cents according to the £1,000 you got in your account, the maximum risk. And mind you that the 40 cents per pip is a maximum. You should not risk any more than that on any single trade. Now let's try with doubling up the equity amount with the same risk, same size stop loss, and you come to obviously a double amount, 80 cents per pip. Now if we try with an account of £15,000, we set the risk to 1% and a stop loss of 100 pips, and you come up with a total of £1.50 per pip. This makes your life much easier. Doesn't matter how big or small your account is, you always know exactly the boundaries of your trading if you want to stay in the market and if you want to be profitable. Of course, this relates to the risk and reward ratio, which we talked about in the previous video. Now, if you don't want to do these calculations by yourself, you can go on to www.mq5.com and download your own position size calculator. There's paid ones, there'll be free ones. You can pick one, install it, and it will do all these calculations automatically every time you open a new trade. Now, this is all I've got for you for today. I hope you enjoyed, you learned something, and I'll be seeing you on our next video. Follow us on our Discord channel. Bye bye.